What do I love about the new South Yarra showroom? Well, what's not to love? It's in a great location. We're in a real design hub here, surrounded by designers, architects, builders, shop fitters.
I think the number one thing I have to say about the showroom is that it's quite grand. The range is actually really extensive as well. So I'm really impressed with the overall look and feel of the new showroom.
Seeing us and our clients back here, we've quite often sent clients down to get a feel for the different products rather than the small samples in our office. They come down and get the whole experience from Havwoods.
I love the opportunity to bring my clients in, take them around, show them the range, so we can make sure the selection is correct and perfect for their space.